Introducing FreeCool ACDC hybrid air conditioners powered by nature, engineered for efficiency. 100% solar compatible, green energy inside. Hybrid ACDC technology, solar plus grid. Eco-friendly refrigerant, R32. Smart energy optimization, intelligent power management system. Seamless switching, solar to grid. Predictive analytics for power consumption trends. Automated switching of appliances to reduce wastage. Battery life and backup system optimization. Monitoring and analytics, live energy consumption stats. Kilowatt hours, current voltage, etc. Device level energy profiling. Usage reports. Peak demand alerts. Historical usage tracking and comparison. Jet cooling systems. The new ACDC technology. Zero electricity cost during the day. The new ACDC technology can work 100% solar power. FreeCool has new AI ACDC technology. Thank you. We are welcome to FreeCool World. Become a dealer, request installation, contact us today. Email .sales@freecoolac.com or WhatsApp +86 1880 20 71644.